Hi there, it's Andrew Texador with Realty One Group, and today we're going to go over the 4 things that you can do to improve your credit score in the next 60 days so that you can buy a home. Now, first of all, I just want to preface this by saying you don't want to just improve your credit score enough so that you can qualify for a home. You want to improve your credit score enough so that you can get the best loan available to you, because mortgage loans are credit score driven. They're pretty much cut and dry, right? If you have a 580 score, you can get a loan, but you're going to get hit to the interest rate. If you have a 620 credit score, you can qualify for another loan. If you have a 640 credit score, then you start qualifying for down payment assistance programs and even, yet again, more mortgage loans, okay? So the better your credit, the more options you're going to have, and you want to have options, okay? So number 1, you need to know your credit score, okay? So there's a couple of free services that you could use. Freecreditreport.com gives you a credit report, Credit Karma. But I would recommend you getting with a local mortgage person, because they can pull your score, your credit. They can get all 3 scores. They can discuss this with you, and they can also go over what they have as a credit simulator. The credit simulator is a program where it looks at your score and it looks at your the things on your credit report and determines if you were to take some certain actions, what would be the outcome, okay? So it would show, for instance, if you have a collection on there, it'll show if you paid off the collection, how much your credit score would increase, okay? And so the mortgage lenders that I work with, they're constantly, every day, they're working with these credit, with people's credit to improve them so they can qualify for a loan through these different scenarios, okay? And so you need to know what your credit score is so that you can improve it, and you need to know what shows on there. Second of all, you can pay down debt, okay? The rule of thumb is if you have a credit card that you want to be at, you don't want to use more than 30% of the available credit limit. So if you've got a $10,000 credit limit, and if you are above $3,000, it's going to affect you negatively. So you want to keep that in mind. So the second thing you do is you could pay down some debt. Third of all, you don't want to be going out and getting new debt between now and when the time you buy a home. Okay, you want to be as stable as you possibly can, and if anything else, paying down on your debt. And then the fourth thing you can do is you can go ahead and dispute any inaccuracies. Okay, so now the 3 major credit repositories, Equifax, TransUnion, and Experian, they each have a website where you can go in and you can establish an account. And what you're going to want to have is written evidence that you can upload to each of the repositories so that they have your evidence and they can go ahead and verify it and update your credit report. And they usually do that within 30 days. So follow these 4 steps to improve your credit score so that you can buy a home in the next 60 days. Okay? There'll be links below this video to the credit report, freecreditreport.com, to Credit Karma, and there'll be information on how you could reach me if you'd like to connect with one of my mortgage lenders that can help you with their credit simulator to improve your score. Thanks for spending a few minutes with me. Do me a favor, if you got some value out of this, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel, you can share and like this video, and you can leave a comment. I'd appreciate any feedback. Thanks so much, and make it a great day, and look for the next episode, because I talk all things real estate so that you can benefit.